so we want to do 8.3 number 35, which says find the x and y intercepts of f of x is minus the absolute value of x plus 1 plus 7. Scared? Yeah. We could. We could use our 12.3 and 4 stuff to do shifting rules and then figure it out. But that's probably overkill here. When you see the kind of x-intercept thought and y-intercept thought, what should you...
Draw a picture.
Yeah, I mean, I could draw a picture, right? To help me think, I might draw this picture. Here's the y-axis, here's the x-axis. Roughly, this thing is a upside-down V shape, right? We can figure out exactly where it is, but I don't really care. It looks something like this, right?
It's going to be shifted to...
I don't care. We could notice that it shifted left 1, up 7, right? Or we could not, it's fine. If we don't notice that, we might think to ourselves, there's 2 x-intercepts and 1 y, probably. You guys see that? Okay, so what's the y-intercept? What do I think there? How am I going to get that out of this picture? Do you know anything about that point?
Just put a 0 on
It's going to be 0 comma something, right? How about these two guys? Those are going to be
Something, comma 0.
something comma 0, right? Okay, see that? So this one, the y-intercept, right? That's when x is 0. The x-intercept, that's when that output is 0. Okay, see that? Okay, so to get the y-intercept, when x is 0, what's y? Yes. So I'm looking for f of 0, right? So this is minus the absolute value of 0 plus 1, oops, absolute value, plus 7. So what do you get out of this? Six. 0 plus 1 is 1, right? The absolute value of 1 is 1. Minus makes it negative 1. Plus 7 is 6. You guys want me to write that down? No? Yeah. So that's minus the absolute value of 1 plus 7 is minus 1 plus 7 is 6. Is that helpful? Okay, so that's the y-intercept, 6. I could write that as a point, yeah? It'd be 0 comma 6, right? How about the x-intercepts? What are those?
The points where f of x equals 0?
Yeah, those are the points where f of x is 0. So I can just take 0 and set it equal to my function rule. So I've got minus the absolute value of x plus 1 plus 7. You guys remember solving these in Algebra 1?
No,
Oh,
mine was 15 years ago.
Yeah, I should do 2 separate things, right? First, I can do 2 steps before I get there. So what are the 2 steps I can do before I get there? Yeah, I can subtract 7. So I've got minus 7 is minus the absolute value of x plus 1. Subtract. Then what? Yeah, I can multiply by negative 1. Right, flip the signs on both sides. So I got 7 is the absolute value of x plus 1. So what does that mean? Yeah, I want to know what x is, right? Right now it's stuck inside that absolute value thing.
Right.
So what does this sentence mean? The absolute value of x plus 1 is 7, right? What does that mean x plus 1 is? There's only two options. It's either plus 7, right? I'm just talking about this piece. To get 7 out of an absolute value, I'm thinking it's got to be, the stuff in there has got to be either 7 or minus 7. Okay, see that? So I could just say x plus 1 is plus or minus 7. And then I can solve that. So I can subtract 1, get x is negative 1 plus or minus 7, gives you x is 6, or x is negative 8. Cool? So there's your y-intercept at 6, and here's your two x-intercepts at 6 and negative 8. Cool?